Hi everyone. From the last two classes, we have been talking about resources and its types. We understand that resources are limited, so we must be careful in their use. Let's learn what we can do to conserve nature through a story. Mona had a nightmare. She dreamed that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees cut down. There was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. People were suffering and roaming around, desperately looking for food and shade. She told her mother about the dream. Amma, can this really happen? She asked. Yes, Amma replied. If we are not careful, then even renewable resources can become very scarce and the non-renewable ones can definitely get exhausted. What we can do about it? Raju asked. Lots, replied Amma. The main points are renewable resources can become very scarce. Non-renewable ones can definitely get exhausted if we are not careful about resources. So, we have to conserve resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. So, we should protect trees, minerals, wildlife, water and use the resources in an ethical way. And we carefully utilizing resources so that we can fulfill our requirements of the present, also take care of future generation and use resources in a sustainable manner. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. What is sustainable development? What is its meaning? Carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present, also take care of future generation is called sustainable development. There are many ways of conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling and reusing things. Ultimately, it makes a difference because all our lives are linked. The 3 R's, reduce, recycle and reuse, are the 3 efficient methods to conserve resources. First, reducing consumption of resources. Reducing the use of resources is key to conserve nature. We can reduce the use of a variety natural resources like trees, fuels and water can have a big impact on sustainability. As an individual, we can do many things. For example, water. Turn off the tap when you brush your teeth. Next, recycling. Recycling is a process of converting waste into reusable material. Recycling is an important factor in conserving natural resources. Recycling preserves natural resources such as wood, water, minerals, etc. When we make new products, we use resources like iron ore to make steel cans, then glass, aluminium, iron, steel, plastic can be recycled over and over again. For example, paper. If we recycle paper, we can reduce deforestation. So, Mona, Raju and their friends made packet and shopping bags out of the old newspaper. Then next, reuse. What is reuse? Using something over and over again before recycling. In this way, we can save precious natural resources. For example, maintain and repair products like clothing, paper, water, etc. The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. Many renewable resources are sustainable by their nature, like forest, water, solar, soil, etc. To achieve sustainability, we have to consume them at a lower rate. And the other thing we can do is not overexploit resources, use in a sustainable manner. Second, ensure the diversity of life on the earth is conserved. Biodiversity is the special feature of our earth. All living things on the earth depends on each other. If we can protect the huge diversity of life forms of the earth, then we can conserve life on earth. For this, we have to protect animals, plants and microorganisms. Third, ensure the damage of natural environment system is minimized. So, we should lessen our impact on the environment. It is important that the natural environment is protected from damages that may be caused by our impact. Recycling, reuse, reduce, and conservation of energy resources are important in achieving these goals. And these are the principles of sustainable development. First, respect and care for all forms of life. Improve the quality of human life. Conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. Change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. Enable communities to care for their own environment. So, it is our responsibility to conserve all resources and share to next generation. If we continue to overexploitation, the human life will be in danger around the globe. So, our chapter is over today, and you have some questions. What is resource conservation? And what is sustainable development? Okay, and read chapter well and find out answer. This is very simple chapter. Okay, thank you everyone.